I'm Jake. Today we are going to learn how to make animal cookies. First, you'll need butter, sugar, egg, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and cookie cutters. Mix the butter and sugar until creamy. Then add egg and vanilla extract. In another bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then bit by bit, add it to the butter mixture. Pat the dough into a bowl, wrap it in plastic wrap, and put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Roll out the dough on a floured surface. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then cut out the animals and remove the extra dough from around the cookies. Put the cookies on the cookie sheet and put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure to have an adult help you with this part. After baking, take them out of the oven and let them cool. And now your cookies are ready to eat.